Hi, Foodie Chef Pete here today, and as the different times of year shift, Chef Pete shifts his cooking too. We change how we cook. So today I'm going to do a slow cooker beef stew, and this is a fairly modern invention, the slow cooker, right? But stewing meat over on open fire slowly has been around for centuries. The Romans actually had a hand in this, and the Romans had a dish called copadia that involved simmering beef in wine with spices and raisins. Well, I'm gonna make beef stew simmering in broth and wine today, and we're going to make it with vegetables. Okay, so this slow cooker, as we know it today, the slow cooker was invented around the 1930s. This appliance has been around a long time, and in one way or another, people have been using it on the farm, in the apartment, in your house, on the raceway where your beautiful houses are located, at the village, beach, wherever you live, they've been doing this. So.
Is that the crock pot you're talking about?
The crock pot is one of the first inventions, yes. So over time, the stews have evolved, so not just here like I have a piece of meat which I'm going to cut up, but they've been evolving into different flavors from the regional areas where they're made in. Like, let's say for instance, we're going to do a Mediterranean-based one. We're going to put some oregano, we're going to put garlic, we're going to put some thyme, we're going to put salt and pepper, and it makes it with a dish that has a twist to your nationality. And remember, nationalities, we're all different. We come from different backgrounds, and everybody cooks the way our backgrounds are, okay? Where we came from, our ancestors came from, and everybody cooks in these different ways, and that's what makes cooking so interesting, the twist to the cooking for your nationality and for where you came from. So there we have it. So that's a little background on the slow cooker. Here's the slow cooker I use, and it's a Breville slow cooker, pressure cooker, steamer. It does all kinds of stuff, all right? And this one is a Breville. I currently have it set on searing because I'm going to cut this meat up. So watch the series on making a beef stew the Carpizzo way, and we will be back starting with cutting up and flouring and browning our beef cubes. So there we go. This is Peter Carpizzo's. Enjoy your stew making, however you do. Out.